you I'm super excited about because like I've been saying, or maybe this is the first one I'm uploading, I'm not sure. If you see this red shirt with this tan background, that means that I'm reviewing a wig that I am giving away. As promised, once we hit 70,000 subscribers, I will give away 7 human hair wigs. So I looked towards companies that I really love, that have given me some good quality units over the year to include in this giveaway, and Beauty Forever is definitely one of them. Beauty Forever is one of my most favorite human hair wig companies. If you are new here, my name is Jessica and I can't comb hair. I just enjoy playing in hair and makeup. It lets me switch my look without it being anything permanent. I don't have to take it too seriously because it is purely fun for me. If you're an older goodie, welcome back. If you're an older goodie, you know how much I love and I vouch for Beauty Forever. All I've done was take this out of its shipping packaging because I like to do everything on camera with you guys. Because I always want to be transparent. Now, I love Beauty Forever's packaging. I love that they send the wig in these little toiletry bags because I use everything. I use these for everything except the wig. Like I have so many of them laying around the house with things in them. So I do love the toiletry bag that they send it in. The wig also comes in a silk storage case with their branding on it. Let's see what else we have in here. They also included some HD wig caps and an edge band with their branding on it. So nice. This wig is a 7x5 Bye-Bye Knots lace wig. It is kinky curly and it is 20 inches long. Let me take it out of here so we look at the cap construction up close and the curls. Beauty Forever also included more Bye-Bye Knots tabs to go with this wig, but I use these for all of my wigs, so I do love these. All right, y'all. Kinky curly is one of those curl patterns that I'm just so in love with because I feel like you have to do the least amount to it. It's almost like water wave. It's just a tighter curl. I love this because it is so beginner friendly. You don't have to do much to it. And look at those curls right out of the pack. Very juicy. This cap construction, also juicy because it's a 7x5, which is extremely beginner friendly. It is the throw on and go of human hair wigs, meaning that you can part this to the left, the right, down the middle, or whatever, but it doesn't require a whole lot of work, like with a 13x6 or a 13x4. So I love that. In the back, dream construction, we have the comb adjustable straps, but my favorite part is that drawstring because it makes the wig fit comfortably on my dome without it feeling too tight or too loose. So I love that drawstring. And then, of course, they have the adjustable glueless band on this unit. This one is, like I said, a beginner's dream. They also have the kinky edges on this unit as well. Look, very nice. So this won't take long at all. All I have to do is put this on my head. I'm going to probably wet it. I'll give you a 360, then we'll come back and discuss this unit by Beauty Forever. Be right back.
Tell me what you want and I will
All right, guys, I'm back with my final thoughts on this gorgeous wig from Beauty Forever, and I am so happy that I chose this wig to be in this giveaway. This is super cute, super beginner friendly, and it is of like great quality, but I knew that going into it because it was a Beauty Forever wig. This wig definitely checks all of my 3 boxes. Y'all know I'm always looking for affordability, beginner friendliness, and quality. Beauty Forever knocked all of those out of the park. Because this is a 7x5, it makes the wig very easy. All I had to do was put it on my head. I put some water and a little bit of mousse on it and finger combed it out, swooped some of those baby hairs back, and that's what we got. I pulled some half up, half down, because y'all know this is as far as I can go with styling, and it worked. This is just a gorgeous unit. This is a throw on and go. The other thing I like about it, you have to be careful with kinky curly, because a lot of times kinky curly hair can become overwhelming to me. Like, it's like, oh my God, it's getting too big. And Beauty Forever did just the right density on this unit. All I did was put a little bit of powder on it, and that's how their hairline looks. I used some gel to like push those back. I've had this on my head now for probably 30 minutes. And you can see that it is dry, and I think that it dries to such a natural state. This is just a cute unit. And like I said, I'm happy that I'm giving it away because one of you guys is really gonna enjoy this once you get it home. 10 out of 10 for me. Talk to me in the comments, tell me what your thoughts are, because I love this unit. I want to go see if they actually make this in like a cranberry, a red of some sort, because I think that would be really cute with this curl pattern. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye.